Welcome, joyful adventurers. Today we are visiting a Victorian-era pub in Aston, Birmingham that has been beautifully restored, the Holte Pub. This historic building dates back to 1897 and after falling into disrepair for nearly 30 years, was restored to its former glory in 2007 thanks to funding from Aston Villa Football Club owner Randy Lerner. The Holte Pub has a rich history. It was originally built in the Victorian era and was a popular drinking spot for Aston Villa fans up until the late 1970s when it closed. In 2007, Randy Lerner invested £4 million to fully refurbish the building in a Victorian style, adding stained glass windows, oak woodwork, tile floors, and self-contained function rooms. Fast forward to 2024, and I'm happy to report the pub is still open and looking fantastic. Despite tough economic times with COVID lockdowns, rising costs and supermarket competition, traditional pubs like the Holte continue drawing in patrons with their charm and history. We talk about the changing landscape for pubs in Birmingham and the West Midlands. Many classic pubs have been lost over the years, but preservation efforts like that at the Holte Pub give hope that these historic gathering places can survive when given some extra care. We applaud Aston Villa for investing in this community treasure and encourage all joyful adventurers to add the Holte Pub to their Birmingham exploration list. Cheers! As we conclude our exterior tour of the magnificently restored Holte Pub, we would love to hear your stories and see photos of this Aston gem through the years. If you frequented the Holte back in its heyday or have snapshots of it standing empty prior to 2007 renovations, please share them in the comments. Our Joyful Adventure Audits channel is dedicated to documenting the history of beloved Birmingham establishments, both those lost over time and revived institutions like the Holte Pub. With over 300 videos and counting spanning hidden architectural sites, bygone shops, and neighborhood tales, we piece together the dynamic story of this city. Remember to subscribe. If you enjoyed learning about this restored Victorian public house, don't forget to subscribe to our Joyful Adventure Audits channel. Subscribing comes at no cost to you and ensures you don't miss newly uploaded urban adventures, architecture tours, pub walks and glimpses into Birmingham's past and present. Let us know in comments which site we should feature next in our journey of rediscovering the best of Brum. Cheers and joyful days ahead.